Hi, Henry here. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn yourself into a video avatar using the AI avatar video generator, Wondershare Virbo. What you just saw is a picture of me, but animated by talking photo features. It looks like me, and it also speaks like me. In this video, you can learn how to transform yourself into a talking AI avatar. This is perfect for training, social media, and even marketing videos. To access the Virbo talking photo feature, open Wondershare Virbo and choose the talking photo feature. Virbo Talking Photo AI allows you to animate any photo and turn it into a lifelike talking avatar. This incredible feature lets you explore a new dimension of storytelling as your pictures come alive. You can download Wondershare Virbo using the link in the description below. Plus, new users get 2 minutes of free export credits to try it out, no strings attached. Once you've got Virbo, the next step is to upload a clear photo of yourself. This could be a professional headshot or any front-facing image that you like. After uploading, simply click Next to move on to the exciting part. Now it's time to bring your avatar to life. Input the text script that you want your avatar to say. You can choose from a variety of AI voiceovers available in Virbo to match your style. Or if you already have an audio script, just upload it and hit Create Video. And let's Virbo AI work its magic. Want to take it up a notch? You can use the voice clone feature available on Virbo's web version to clone your own voice. Imagine your AI avatar speaking in your very own voice. Just upload a sample of your voice and read the script on the pop-up screen and let Virbo generate a text-to-speech model that sounds just like you. Now, you've seen how easy it is to create a lifelike AI avatar with Virbo. Dive in and try it yourself. Download the app using the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video!